Hey everyone, welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. My name is Rebecca and today's video is going to be a DIY video on how to make this really cute Halloween and fall garland. Now, I've been wanting to do a project with pom-poms for a while, so today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin pom-poms and spider pom-poms and use it to decorate your house. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It came out so cute. I feel like if you had kids that were a little bit older and had some good fine motor skills, they can make these pom-poms easily and have a blast doing a craft with you. So give these a try and let me know what you think. Also, if you are not subscribed, please hit the red subscribe button. I make videos on DIYs, recipes, cocktails, and lifestyle for moms. So if you haven't already, please join Stuff Moms Have Time For, and I will show you guys how to make this garland now. So the first thing you're gonna need is a template. Now I just cut this out of cardboard based on how large I want my pom-poms to be. So I'm going to show you how I use this guy, and then I'm going to be using orange yarn for the pumpkin pom-poms and then black yarn for the spiders, and then I'm going to be using black pipe cleaner for the spider legs as well as green pipe cleaner for the pumpkin stems. So I'm just gonna take my template that I used. I just cut it out of a recycled cardboard box. It is about 2 inches wide, and then the center of it is cut out. And I am just going to take my yarn and wrap it around the template. So I'm just gonna wrap my yarn around the template until it is about 1/2 inch thick on both sides. And then I'm gonna thread a string through the template and then tie a knot in the center. Now, I found that the way that this worked best was if I then cut one of the sides off and then tied another center knot to make sure that the pom-pom was secure in the center. Then you can go ahead and cut the other side and pull the pom-pom off the template. And then you're just going to cut the excess strings off and make sure that the pom-pom is even. So if any side is different than the other, you can just trim it up and make it nice and circular. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing again with my black yarn to make my spiders. So then I'm going to take some pipe cleaners to make my spiders. I'm going to take 2 small pieces and make legs out of them and then wrap them around each other and then just put the pom-pom and glue it directly onto the legs. So for the stems of the pumpkin, I am going to wrap some green pipe cleaner around a pencil and then make a thicker stem and then use a small part to make a tendril out to the side. Now, how I decided to attach these to a garland was to use fishing line. So I attached the fishing line directly to the pom-poms, and then I put the stems through the fishing lines to the pumpkin. I am going to attach it to this twine, which I'm going to be using as the base of my garland. So I'm just going to take the fishing line and then secure it tightly to the twine. Then I'm going to take the black pipe cleaner spider legs that I made, and I'm going to attach the pom-pom directly to it so it looks like a cute spider, and then attach that to fishing line as well. And I decided to alternate my garland, pumpkin, spider, pumpkin, spider.
Me!
Can you show us your muscles? Yeah. Can I have a spider?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. It's always good to have a helper for projects. So I ended up making 2 of these garlands. I put one of them over the large mirror in our dining room. When it's all put together, it is really cute. You could do just one separate spider one, or even ghosts for Halloween, and then keep one only pumpkins for more fall Thanksgiving. You can switch it up however you'd like. But I made a second one, and I ended up putting that over our fireplace in the living room. These were really easy to make, and they turned out really cute. My kids love playing with them. So if you give these a try, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time.